Pachari Yoga International Trust. That is part. This is to certify that yoga offers better understanding of sweeping questions posed by warrior Arjuna in the war field at Kurukshetra. This is also to certify that yoga, meditation and recitation brings a better understanding of war and peace as elucidated by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Thank you, Mr. India Today. You have something new. Supreme Court is shocked over scrapped Section 66A of Information Act that is used in FIRs. As Supreme Court issues notice to the center. Sir, I have a very good comment for this. I have posted about 30 videos on how the law minister, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, failed in his tenure of 7 years. In the beginning, he said that Congress has done a great mistake of creating 300 lakh pending cases. And he said that he will reduce the 300 lakh pending cases to nil. And he appointed at least 2,000 courts in India to reduce this 300 lakh pending cases. But you will find, the Law Commission has found, after 5 years of tenure of this Ravi Shankar Prasad, that the 300 lakh pending cases have not been reduced. They found that 294 lakh pending cases are still there after 5 years of tenure of Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. If you see in Pakistan, Twitter post, they have reduced pending cases of 20 lakhs. That is 2 million pending cases in 1 year. Please see, Mr. India Today. It is not a new thing for Ravi Shankar Prasad. He bluffs so many things to the nation and then he keeps quiet. Now I shall take you to the most important stanza or the text in which Arjuna laments. Please hear to this text 34 of chapter 6. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhit balavadhrudham. He says, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna. O Krishna, this mind or the heart is flickering every time, even for the good warrior. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavadhrudam.
तस्य अहं निग्रह मन्ये वायुः इव सुदुष्करम्. According to Bhagavad Gita, the passenger who is being driven by the vehicle will be an idiot or will be a sage according to the driver. And the 5 horses are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and the touch. According to this, if the horses are driving the vehicle without control, the individual passenger will become an idiot. And if he is having the control over the 5 senses, he will become the sage, he will become an yogi. With this knowledge, I certify that S. Muthukumara Vel, who has issued interim injunction 81 of 2014, is an idiot buffalo, and he should be immediately dismissed from service. According to this, I certify that Barsat Begum, the Muslim judge, should be immediately dismissed for being corrupted to satisfy her 5 senses. And according to this, I certify that Bharati PDM is idiot for the bench clerk woman who delayed the numbering and filing of IA number 301 of 2019. And I certify that S. Muthukumaran, the sub-judge at Tirumangalam, is an Poksa Maja for his Poksa activity on the woman clerk, 3 woman clerks.
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district Municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved Senior Fellow Valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of
January 2020.
Parliament is finished, judiciary, it takes 25-30 years to decide a case finally. Is this a judiciary or a joke? And half of the judiciary has become corrupt. I know, I was part of the system. Bureaucracy is largely corrupt. Everything has collapsed in this country. Now then, it is all a empty shell, hollow. All these politicians are a set of rogues and rascals who have looted the country, who divide the people on caste and religious lines for their vote banks, and they deserve to be shot in this country.